guys, so end of the month and we had interest rates, US 10 years powering higher, up another almost three basis points overnight as a bit of fear took hold. Interestingly though, the fear wasn't that pronounced as the VIX index, which is the fear sort of indicator. It was a little bit sideways, but stocks certainly weakened into the end of the month, and I expect that to kind of continue. Furthermore, the copper picture, the commodity picture deteriorated further somewhat, with oil getting smashed, gold getting smashed, iron ore still quite lower, and so is the coking coal and burning coal, gas sideways, copper further down. So it's not looking a pretty picture for the global economy, and we're seeing a bit of that safe haven flow back into the US dollar. Not a huge amount, pretty much sideways, but the commodity currencies, the Aussie dollar, the CAD and the Kiwi, all weaker. Euro a little bit stronger, surprisingly enough, on German inflation numbers overnight. Yen weaker, and pound weaker. So start of the month, where to look for? Well, I think the commodity picture is probably going to continue a bit for a few more days, if not a week or so, and so there's that opportunity is looking to short those commodity currencies. I think the pound is probably getting close to overdone and may find a bounce here. I'd be looking for a short on the euro somewhere around this 1.01 level. It might be 105. If we look at it a bit closer, there's another sort of, if we go down to the 4 hour, it might see it easier. So you've got that resistance and there. And if we put a Fibonacci on the move as well, we're kind of looking, that's the 382, so between the 50 and the 382, somewhere in there is where we're wanting to get short. Whether you're looking at the daily picture, that's that little blue box there, or you're looking at the hourly, you're wanting to sort of find a shorting opportunity somewhere in that region. Yeah. Other than that, I think the market will probably be waiting for the non-farm payrolls, which is Friday night Australian time, or Friday morning US time, and then the inflation numbers, which is 2 weeks away yet, but the jobs number is certainly first off the rank, and be following that with much interest. So that's about it for the day, guys. I wish you all the best for the month ahead.